Hi, in this video, we're going to look at the seventh rule for exponents. From past videos, we know that we can write exponents with various values. We've also learned that we can write roots with various values as well. Now, Rule 7 tells us that roots can be written as fractional exponents, x to the power of a over b, where a is the exponent of the variable and b is the value of the root. Let's look at the square root of x. We know that x is actually x to the power of 1. A square root is root 2, so we get x to the power of 1 over 2. What about the cube root of x? X is actually x to the power of 1, so we get x to the power of 1 over 3. These rules also apply to variables that have existing exponents. What about the square root of x cubed? X cubed, so we know that 3 is the value of the exponent, and there's a square root, so 2 is the value of the root. So we get x to the power of 3 over 2. What about the cube root of x to the power of 5? 5 is the value of the exponent, and 3 is the value of the root. So we get x to the power of 5 over 3. Let's do one more. What about root 4 of x squared? 2 is our exponent, and 4 is the value of the root. So we get x to the power of 2 over 4. Let's look at some examples of how we go about working with fractional exponents. Rule 3 tells us that when multiplying variables with exponents, we can add the exponents together as long as the bases are the same. Here our base is x, and here our base is x. So we can say x to the power of 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. These are common fractions. 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 is 2 over 3. So we get x to the power of 2 over 3. Rules for fractions still apply. So here we have t to the power of 1 over 4 multiplied by 3t to the power of 7 over 4. 3 times 1 gives us 3. Now we have t to the power of 1 over 4 plus 7 over 4. 1 plus 7 is 8, so this becomes 3t to the power of 8 over 4. 8 over 4 is actually 2, so our answer is 3t squared. The fifth rule of exponents tells us that when we have got an exponent outside of the bracket, we multiply it by the exponent of every variable inside the bracket. So we can rewrite this as 16 to the power of 1 x squared over 4 to the power of 1 x squared, all to the power of 1 over 2. Now the rule is that we multiply the exponents. So our numerator is 16 to the power of 1 x squared. 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 is 1 over 2. So we get 4 to the power of 1 over 2. 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 is 2 over 2. So we get x to the power of 2 over 2. Now we have just said the fractional exponent 1 over 2 is another way of saying square root. And we know the square root of 4 is 2. So this becomes 16 x squared over 2. 2 over 2 is actually 1. So this becomes x to the power of 1. And now we can simplify. 16 divided by 2 gives us 8. X to the 2 divided by x to the 1. So we subtract 1 from 2. So we say 2 minus 1. And we get 8x. When working with an equation like this, we need to tackle the constants and variables separately. From past grades, when dividing, we have learned that we tip and times our fractions. So we have 7 over 8 divided by 1 over 2, which makes it 7 over 8 multiplied by 2 over 1. Now let's look at our exponents. We've got base x divided by base x. So we say x to the power of 1 over 2. We are dividing, so we subtract negative 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2. Let's now look at our fractions. Divide by 2, we get 1. Divide by 2, we get 4. So we get 7 over 4, x to the power of 1 over 2, minus negative 3 over 2 becomes plus 3 over 2. 1 plus 3 is 4, so we get 7 over 4 x to the power of 4 over 2. And we know that 4 over 2 is actually 2. So our final answer is 7x squared over 4. Let's do one more example. When you have an actual square root sign, it is always a good idea to change it into a fractional exponent. So we can change this to 27 x to the power of 27 with a fractional exponent of 1 over 3. Now we can multiply 1 over 3 by the exponent of every variable within the bracket. 27 is actually 27 to the power of 1. 1 multiplied by 1 over 3 is 1 over 3. So we get 27 to the power of 1 over 3. X has an exponent of 27. So we multiply 27 by 1 over 3, and we get x to the power of 27 over 3. An exponent of 1 over 3 is actually the cube root, which we know from up here. The cube root of 27 is equal to 3. 27 divided by 3 is actually 9. So we get 3x to the power of 9. And we have now completed this question. We will look at more examples like this in upcoming videos.